Hello everyone, welcome to another one of my quick tips video, volume number 2. In this video we're going to show you a quick way to shut down your Windows. All you'd have to do is double click on an icon. It'll bring down half screen, and all you do is you left click on it and drag it the rest of the way down, and it'll automatically shut your system off. A lot better than going over to the icon on your taskbar, which is your start menu, and clicking on it and then clicking on power, and then from power go to shutdown, that sort of thing. So this is going to save you a little bit of time. So let me show you how that's done. Okay, what we want to do first of all is anywhere on the blank desktop, not on any icon or anything, but just a blank space on the desktop, what we want to do is right click, then we want to come down and put the mouse cursor on new, follow it straight across, and we want to click on shortcut, which is the second one down. Click on shortcut, and then we're going to type in this. In case you can't see that, I'm going to double click on it. Up here, I'm just show you. What you type in that shortcut is this. And that's all you put is a %, WINDIR, %, then backward slash, that means the top of it tilts back. So it's a backward slash, system32, backslash, slide to shutdown.exe. Okay, give me a minute to write this down. You can always go back, review this again, and write it down. Really easy. Okay, it saves you a lot of time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click this down. Once you have it all typed in, so then you're just going to come down here. Well, look right here, and you're going to click next icon, and this is the name of it. That's fine, leave it like it is. And we're going to come down to the bottom, and we're going to click finish. Okay. Then once you do that, you should see the icon that you just made, and it says slide to shortcut right here. So if you double click on that, it brings down this slider, and you just hold your mouse button and left mouse button and slide it straight down. It's a lot easier than going over here to the Windows icon, which is your start menu, clicking on it, and coming up to your start menu, the power button, and clicking on it, and then going up here and clicking on shut down. Okay, so what it's going to do, we just double click on it, then we hold the left mouse button down and just drag it down, and it'll automatically shut down for you. So that's kind of just time-saving step for you. All right. Okay, that's it, and it's that simple. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just hit the subscribe button below and click on the little icon bell, and you'll be notified of our next upcoming video. Till then, safe surfing. Bye.